Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. After a year of closing down due to the COVID-19 pandemic, regular classes for students of Standard 1 to 5 in the schools across Nagaland will reopen from 22nd of this month. Chief Secretary J. Alam yesterday issued Standard Operating Procedure SOP with generic precautionary measures to be adopted to contain the spread of COVID-19 when schools resume normal functioning. He said these measures need to be observed by all, including teachers, employees and students at all times. The SOP states that physical distancing of at least 6 feet should be followed as far as feasible, while use of face covers, masks, would be mandatory. It has also directed frequent hand washing with soap for at least 40 to 60 seconds, even when hands are not visibly dirty. Use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers for at least 20 seconds can be done whenever feasible, it said, while also emphasizing on respiratory etiquette to be strictly followed. The SOP has also asked the school authorities to specifically ensure seating arrangement to ensure a distance of 6 feet between chairs, desks, etc., and also prepare alternate day routine for classes as per the enrollment in each class and the infrastructure facilities available. The by-election to the 51 Noksan Assembly constituency under Dwensang district of Nagaland will be held on 17th of next month. Election Commission of India ECI under Secretary Sanjeev Kumar Prasad yesterday said that a Gazette notification would be issued on 23rd of March, while the last date of nominations is March 30. He says scrutiny of nominations would be done on March 31, while the last date for withdrawal of candidature is 3rd April. He said polling would be held on April 17th, while counting would be done on May 2nd. The 51 Noksan seat in the state had been vacant following the demise of the sitting Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Justice and Law, C.M. Chung, on 12 October last year in Kohima. Dimapur police arrested 3 persons and also rescued 2 others during the last 4 days. Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police Crime and PRO Dimapur Police said that yesterday police arrested an individual identified as Dilip Basu Matari for illegal transportation of Indian-made foreign liquor, IMFL, in an Alto car. A total of 17 IMFL cases were seized from his possession. On Monday, police arrested 2 individuals identified as Kokado Su and Inaka Achumi while extorting money from the business establishments at 4th Mile area in the name of an underground group. In another case, on March 13th, police with 5 Assam rifles rescued 2 persons, a truck driver and an employee of a private agency from Tilaku village area after they were reportedly abducted by unknown persons from Purana Bazaar area, Dimapur. Nagaland did not have any new COVID-19 cases and recovery of patients, keeping the tally at 12,255 for the 3rd consecutive day yesterday. The caseload includes 11,966 recovered persons and 14 active patients. Director of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Dennis Hangsing, in the daily COVID-19 update said altogether 91 persons, including 10 with comorbidities, have succumbed to the infection and 154 have migrated to other states. Nagaland has so far tested a total of 1,33,241 suspected COVID-19 samples, including 75,271 on RT-PCR, 37,481 on TrueNat, and 21,489 on Rapid Antigen Test. Nagaland has administered a total of 61,044 doses of COVID-19 vaccines to 48,190 persons. Out of the total doses administered in the state till yesterday, 31,095 are frontline workers, 11,337 are healthcare professionals, 4,828 senior citizens, and 930 people above 45 years with specified comorbidities. A total of 6,773 healthcare workers and 6,081 frontline workers have received the second shots of COVID-19 vaccine, completing the full course of vaccination. Among those inoculated, no one has had any adverse effect needing medical interventions in the state till date. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer, and follow social distancing norms. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.